Engineering the Perfect Season is brought to you by GMC.
Football's oldest controversy, settled by a brand new piece of gear.
This generation of players, more than any other, are visual learners.
A cutting-edge helmet that puts a coach inside his quarterback's head.
Can't go to coach and say, I wasn't looking there, because the camera shows it all.
Blitz up the middle, Nova in all kinds of trouble. Got rid of it, and it's a touchdown!
It is an exciting year for Rutgers. Not only are the Scarlet Knights new to the Big Ten, they have one of the toughest schedules in the conference. Now, to gain an edge, the team is using some brand new technology, a helmet with a camera embedded inside. It lets coaches see through the eyes of players for a better understanding of the decisions they're making out there on the field.
Rutgers Training Camp, 2014. The Scarlet Knights are poised to begin their first season in the Big Ten Conference. Back at spring practice, they faced a quarterback controversy. Senior Gary Nova started 23 straight games before being benched at the end of last season. The coaches cited lack of production and turnovers. But 2014 is a new season, and he's fighting to keep the starting job.
The person who you choose as the quarterback to lead your program is the most important decision you make as a head coach. And you want to know that when that guy goes to the line of scrimmage every play, he's going to have a calmness about him that is going to allow his eyes to be in the right spot.
Rutgers coaches are using a new tool to evaluate player performance. A football helmet with an integrated HD video camera replicating a human field of view that captures everything a player sees in real time.
Being a middle linebacker in a defense, your eyes are key to everything you do, whether it be on receivers, linemen, the quarterback. Your eyes have to be in the right place to put you where you need to be.
Analysis of the helmet cam footage reveals how many different things a QB is looking at before and after the snap, giving the coach a second-by-second log of his play caller's decision-making process.
That really follows you everywhere you go, every drill. It helps, just train your eyes to be in the right place.
Is your QB calm in the pocket? Is he reading the defense and making the right adjustments?
It really is very confirming to the coaching staff how important it is to train the eyes of the player. I think it gives us an edge. I think it gives us an advantage. There's no doubt about it.
When we come back, the super fan whose recurring dream led to this revolution in football technology.
Helmet cam technology is giving players and coaches an entirely new line of sight. The GMC Canyon expands your line of sight by offering sensor systems to help warn the driver about the things they can't see. With sensors to help warn you from approaching another vehicle too fast, or if you wander from your lane, it's like having a coach in your Canyon. Introducing the GMC Canyon. That's professional grade. JR?
Rich, how you doing?
J.R. Lieberman was the business manager at an RV center when he had an idea.
Woke up in the middle of the night in the fall of 2011 after having a recurring dream. It was one of those dreams that was vivid. I kept seeing a football player on a field wearing a helmet. I got up, went to my computer, and actually drew what I was dreaming.
J.R. licensed his idea to Schutt Helmets, who created a new product line, Schutt Vision.
So this was our very first prototype. The key, Rich, was that we wanted to make it unobtrusive. We wanted to make sure that it was in an area that could be protected. And of course, where it was centered on the helmet, because the idea is you're seeing what the player's seeing from his perspective.
Tell me about the design challenge in putting a camera in a helmet.
Well, first and foremost, it's got to be able to be durable. It's got to be able to go time after time after time, impact after impact after impact.
So here's the prototype. Now let's fast forward 30 months.
And here's the finished product.
You mind if I put it on?
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay, now explain to me what's on this helmet.
So right here is the camera lens, and in here you've got the camera imager board.
All right, thanks.
All right.
Take off.
Okay.
Since JR first woke in the middle of the night, Schutt Vision has taken off and is now being used by 33 NFL and college teams. And it helped the Rutgers coaching staff make a decision that settled their QB controversy. Gary Nova has held on to the starting job and is having his best season ever.
Third down and 16. Nova gonna run.
He recently set a school record for most career touchdowns and was named Big Ten Offensive Player of the Week after totaling 404 passing yards and 3 touchdowns in Rutgers' first Big Ten Conference win over Michigan, 26-24.
80 yards. And Gary Nova getting
Up next for the helmet cam, a new lens that gives it a wider field of vision to capture even more of the action. Plus, there's a wireless version in the works. That's going to live stream video straight from the field, right to the sidelines, and maybe even your big screen TV at home. It's just one more way the Scarlet Knights are engineering the perfect season.